Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to be talking about a woman that I feel has the longest natural hair in the world. When I was first introduced to this lady, that was about 6 years ago at the beginning of my natural hair journey. Her hair was down to her knees, and right now I do believe it should be way past her knees. So let's get into the video. The number one reason that attracted me to her channel is the fact that she had type 4 hair that was long all the way down to her knees. She was one of the natural hair YouTubers that initiated me into the finger detangling world, and I left immediately after I joined. I joined because finger detangling is not for me and my hair. Tried it, extreme pain, went back to detangling with my Y2 comb at the time. Then I eventually upgraded to an actual detangling brush. So go back to what she used to do. She would detangle with water, aloe vera gel / juice, and then an oil. Then she would wash her hair with aloe vera. I don't know how that worked, but she explained a few things in her video. So she would use aloe vera as her shampoo. I can't remember if she ever tried using shikaikai or black nuts, like black soap, to wash her hair, but what I would always see her use was aloe vera. And when she was done using the aloe vera to wash her hair, I don't know if she went in with some type of conditioner, because I feel like the aloe vera was enough of a conditioner. She would moisturize her hair again with some oils. I don't remember her using any butters, because I'm so used to seeing type 4 / African girls using shea butter on her hair, but I really don't think that she used any butter. What I know for sure is that she would prepoo her hair, wash it in her twists, condition it with aloe vera gel again, then redo the twists one by one. Then towards the end of her hair, she would use flaxseed gel to seal her ends. And she says that this helps to keep the twist, I think, from unraveling, and also keep the ends moisturized. I feel her leave-in conditioner was like a mixture of oils that she used to keep her hair moisturized, and that routine really helped her out. She has changed her routine right now. She is now blowing her hair out and putting it into like Dutch braids and all that, still maintaining her natural organic way of taking care of her hair. She even started her own natural organic hair care line, and for that reason she doesn't post as much on her YouTube channel anymore. But the last video I saw, she tends to always use her reverse blow drying machine to stretch her hair out, then put it into like Dutch braids or another type of protective hairstyle, and her hair should right now be past her knees, because when I first saw her like years ago, when I was still coming into the natural hair community, her hair was at her knees. So by this time it should be past her knees. Now let's do a recap on her hair care routine for growing knee length hair. She pre-poos with aloe vera juice and oils, washes her hair with aloe vera, takes her twists down one by one, then redo them, I guess, to make them fresh, neat, and tidy. Uses her oil mixture as a leave-in conditioner. Then towards the end of her hair, she seals everything in with flaxseed gel. And this helps to prevent split ends and drying. Let's talk about some things that I adopted, some of the hair care tips and tricks that she puts out into the world that I caught. I have never washed my hair with aloe vera. I wash my hair with shampoo, Head and Shoulders, my favorite. I always condition my hair. I've never used aloe vera to condition my hair. I use aloe vera juice as a pre-poo. She is not the primary reason. Again, she is just one of the people that inspired me to continue using aloe vera as a pre-poo, detangler, and the rest of them. Now, she is not the primary reason why I started using aloe vera gel as a pre-poo. At the beginning of my natural hair journey, not too many things had slipped, not too many conditioners at that time had any slip at all. So I felt like aloe vera gel was slippery enough to serve as a pre-poo. When I saw that the natural girls in the natural hair community were actually using it as a pre-poo, I was like, oh yeah, I can do that. And I was doing that. She uses it as a pre-poo, and I was like, yeah, I'm on the right track. She has knee-length hair, and this is one of the things that she does to get that. I'm going to continue doing that. The second thing that she does that I picked up was, once I'm done washing and conditioning my protective style, I will take it down one by one, figure detangle, go in with my detangling brush to make sure there are no tangles or snags. Then redo it just to make the hair fresh, remove any shed hair, build up, what have you. Then when I get towards the end of my hair, I seal it in with shea butter instead of flaxseed gel. I have never used flaxseed gel. It's something that I am open to trying in the future, but I just use shea butter to seal in my ends. This is something I have done countless times on my channel. So it's not exactly what she does, but you know. Indigenous Trans also has a daughter that has extremely long hair, and she takes care of her daughter's hair the exact same way she takes care of her hair, and her daughter's hair is mad long. So it shows that her hair care tips really does work. That's it for this video. I hope you liked. If you're interested in seeing more content like this, consider subscribing, turning on your notification bell. If you have any natural hair YouTuber / content creator in mind that you would like me to, check out, put that name in the comment section and I'm going to get right to that. And love you to see you in my next video. Mwah.